For this video, we are going to have a tutorial about Gamma AI. So I'm going to guide you through everything that you need to know to get started and make the most out of Gamma AI. The first thing that you need to do is to sign up. If you don't have an account yet, you just need to go to the official website at gamma.app and sign up again. So you'll be able to see the sign up for free button on the center part of your screen. So click onto it. And if you already do have an account, you just need to log in with your credentials. So once you're on this page, you just need to continue with Google if you want to do that, but you can also create an account with a different email. So you just need to go to this section and type in your email. So after going through all of the process, you'll be greeted with this interface on your screen. On this section, you have three options. So you would need to select how you would like to get started. So you can opt to paste in text, generate a presentation, and import a file or URL. So just simply select from these options. But for this tutorial, we are going to focus on generating a presentation. So I'm going with the second option. So in here, what you need to do is to select first how many cards you want to create for your presentation. So you have up to 10 cards for a free account, but if you want to create more, you need to upgrade your account. So once you have select your cards or the number of your cards, what you can do next is to describe what you'd like to make. So for me, I'm just going to type in what I'd like to make or the topic that I'd like to make for a presentation here. So there's that. And then you just need to click this generate outline right here and wait for the process to happen. So there you go. As you can see, AI generated 5 different outlines for me. And what you can do here is to change the order of the outline if you want to do that by simply dragging the slides one after the other, like just like that. And then if you wanted to add card, you can do so by clicking this add card button situated on the bottom center part of your screen. So you can even add card if you want to by going on to this section again, and you can change the language on this section. So you can add more if you want to do that. You can be more detailed on your prompt for the generation of the outlines. So you can just do whatever you want on this section. And once you scroll down on these settings, you have different options also. So you can select or choose the amount of text per card. So you can go for brief, medium, and very detailed, and also for the image source. You can choose web image search or AI images. And for the image style, you can describe the colors, the style, and the mood to use. So for example, you're using it for a professional presentation, so you can go for professional and simple. Now, if you are already satisfied with what you have, you just need to click the continue button situated on the bottom part of your screen. So now, after going through all of those process, what you can do next is to pick a theme for your presentation. So on the right side bar of your screen, you have all of this theme available for you to use. So you just need to pick from the options. So I'm going to do that also. And I'm going with this one. So click onto it. Once you have your theme, click this generate button situated on the upper right part of your screen and just wait for it to generate. So just wait for the process to happen, and you can open a new tab if you want to do that, but just make sure that you don't close this tab while the generation is happening. And after a few seconds, you now have your presentation. So now let's take a tour of this interface right here. So on the right sidebar of your screen, you'll be able to see the film strip of Gamma AI. So this is where you can scroll through all of your presentations. So you can add them on this section, or you can add presentation on the section right here, or you can opt to duplicate one if you want to do that. And on the upper right part of your screen, you'll be able to see the theme, the share button, and the presentation or present button. You also have your analytics. So on the right side part, this is where you can add different elements to your presentation. So you can edit with AI, you can add card temples if you want to do that, and you have a different style for the presentations. You also have smart layouts So you can just explore or experiment with what you have right here. And you also have your basic blocks. So you have title, headings, you have tables also, bulleted list, number list, to-do list, and up to a button. So on this part, you can add images, you can add videos and media, you have embed apps and web pages. So you can utilize this if you want to use third-party apps or third-party website to add to your presentation. And you also have charts and diagrams and also forms and buttons. So again, you can just experiment with what you have and explore your options. Now, once you go through the center part of your screen, or once you go through your presentations, you'd be able to notice this section right here, and this icon or this section will allow you to add a blank card. So then you can just personalize your presentation. Let us try to do or to add a card. So I'm going with this one. So you can add your heading and start typing your content. So you can upload image if you are going to use an image. You can search for images and generate image through AI. Now I'm going to delete this one. And by the way, you can add notes for every card or every slide of your presentation. So just click this icon right here, situated on the upper right corner of each presentation. And this interface will appear on the right side part of your screen. And then you can add notes. And again, you can generate your notes using AI. So I'm going to exit out of there. Now, if you want to change the theme of your presentation, you can do that by clicking onto this theme situated on the upper right part of your screen. Click onto it, and then the options will appear on the right sidebar of your screen. So once you just click onto the theme that you want to change your presentation into, then it will be automatically applied to your presentation. Now, if you want to filter out the themes that you have in here, you can do so by clicking on these options. You have light or you have dark, light, professional, and colorful. So let us go with professionals, and all of the professional theme will appear. So I'm going to select again and change the theme of my presentation. So once you are satisfied with what you have, exit out of there. And if you want to share your presentation to others, you can do so by clicking the share button. You can add the emails of the people or the person that you want to share your presentation to. You can decide their access. You can grant them full access, or you can grant them a edit privilege, or you just need to for them to comment to your presentation. You can do so. And you can also export your presentation by going to the export setting or feature right here, and then you can export it to PDF or export to PowerPoint. So now, once you are done with that, you can also opt to present your presentation by clicking onto the present button situated on the upper right part of your screen. Click onto it and you present your presentation. So now, if you want to view the analytics for your presentation, go to the analytics tab right here, and then you'll be able to see how many views your presentation got, or you can go to the card engagement. And if you want to unlock the analytics for all individual viewers and collaborators, you need to upgrade your account. So that's basically it. That is all the features and elements that you have for the presentation or for creating presentation using Gamma AI. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.